Hi there, I'm sitting inside my 2020 Toyota Rav4 and it's a right-hand drive car, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the side mirrors. So down here on the right-hand door on the armrest, there's these buttons that you need to press, and I'm guessing if you've got a left-hand drive car that these buttons will be on the left-hand door in the armrest as well. So just a close-up then of those buttons, and you can see on the right-hand side there's a picture of a mirror that is open, and then on the left-hand side is a picture of a mirror that's closed. So you press on the closed mirror then. Press on the closed mirror and the mirrors come in, and you press on the open mirror button and then the mirrors open. It's as easy as that. And these mirrors, side mirrors, work in unison. So when you press the close button, both mirrors are closed. And when you press the open button, both mirrors open. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.